Have you ever wondered how much ClickUp AI actually costs? Well, let's dive into that and find out. ClickUp, as you probably know, is a popular project management tool. It's been gaining traction for its versatility and features, and recently they've introduced AI capabilities. But how much does this AI-powered upgrade cost? Before we get to the numbers, let's talk about what ClickUp AI can do. It's not just about automation. It's about enhancing your workflow. From generating meeting summaries to drafting emails, ClickUp AI can save you time and effort. The cost breakdown. Free plan. The free plan of ClickUp includes basic AI features. You can use it to generate summaries, create outlines, and even brainstorm ideas. It's a great starting point if you're new to ClickUp or want to try out the AI capabilities without committing to a paid plan. Unlimited plan. For those who need more advanced AI features and unlimited storage, the unlimited plan is a popular choice. It includes everything in the free plan, plus additional AI capabilities like drafting emails, creating tasks, and even generating images. Business plan. If you're managing a large team or complex projects, the business plan might be the right fit. It offers all the features of the unlimited plan, plus advanced automation, custom fields, and more powerful AI capabilities. Enterprise plan. For organizations with very specific needs, the enterprise plan provides tailored solutions and dedicated support. This plan includes all the features of the business plan, plus additional customization options and priority support. Pricing details. The exact pricing for each plan can vary depending on your location, the number of users, and any additional features you require. However, ClickUp generally offers competitive pricing options. You can find the most up-to-date pricing information on the ClickUp website or by contacting their sales team. Additional considerations. AI add-ons. In addition to the base plans, ClickUp offers AI add-ons that can enhance your experience. These add-ons may include features like advanced natural language processing or custom AI models. Trial periods. Many people choose to start with a free trial to test out ClickUp AI and see if it meets their needs. So, how much does ClickUp AI cost? The answer depends on your specific requirements. Whether you're a solopreneur or a large enterprise, ClickUp offers a range of plans and pricing options to suit your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.